Spend another day in London with me. I don't know how I'm still going at this point, but I got up early, I had a bath. Luckily my hair stayed in all night thanks to this Redken hairspray. It's funny because I posted a video recently where I slept overnight to show how good a setting spray was, and none of you believed me because my hair was still intact the next day. But I hope this proves to you it's because of that Redken hairspray. Anyways, I got ready, I did some sparkly makeup and picked out a nice little metallic top. I wore this the other day actually, but I'm just obsessed with it. It's from ASOS and actually has a matching skirt. Also popped on my new earrings that I got from Bershka. Had time to pick out a mantra for the day. The universe is really giving me the right mantras at the moment. Opened my advent calendar and also had some time for journaling this morning. Then I wrapped up warm, grabbed my brolly because it was so wet and windy. Had a cheeky Starbucks on the train and arrived in London. I was a little bit early, so I thought I'd go to Selfridges. Obsessed with these new Gucci handbags. I wanted to get into the Christmas spirit though, so I checked out Selfridges Christmas shop. A cheese toasty bauble. I'm obsessed. Also spotted this girl's incredible coat in London. It's so funky. Then had a cute Christmassy stroll to Queen's Mayfair where I was meeting my friends Paige and Charlotte for a boozy bottomless brunch. Not gonna lie, those cocktails, ooh, they were strong. And I was a little bit tipsy and thought it'd be hilarious to get a pink fluffy tuk-tuk around London. Absolutely random, but hilarious. And we were singing Christmas songs. Then I got back home to my doggies, had a KFC and watched I'm a Celebrity.